Guess what? Veeam is back with the biggest launch in Veeam history, V12. V12! Not only are you benefiting from over a decade of software maturity, but also from the experiences of hundreds of thousands of customers and over 1 million installations. Now, everyone wants to talk about our flagship feature, and I guess I do need to start with that. With V12, you can send backups directly to our broad ecosystem of object storage partners like Cloudian or Minio. In fact, we've optimized this process with a smart object storage API to make it even faster. And some of our partners like Scality and Object First are taking advantage of this. But it's not just for on-premises data center backups. You may want to reduce the overall cost and complexity of managing backups at the edge by sending data directly to object storage in the cloud. While Veeam drove more than an exabyte of cloud object storage last year, this is just another avenue of enabling cloud models that support your business. But for me, the best part of enabling backups directly to object storage is that you can make this data immutable with a checkbox. And making your backups immutable helps protect you against the ever-increasing threat of ransomware. But V12 is not just about direct-to-object storage. We enable hybrid cloud in new and powerful ways. For example, we designed purpose-built, cloud-optimized agents for workloads that are born in or migrated to the cloud with full application awareness. Additionally, we give you observability across clouds and enable you to proactively monitor your multi-cloud footprint with simple, at-a-glance reports and new alarms. All of this, it gives you, our customer, data freedom. We've also spent a ton of time on trusted immutability. For example, we've introduced support for immutability with Azure Blob Storage, whether it was tiered from an on-prem repository or written directly to object storage. Plus, we've added immutability for cloud-native workloads in AWS and in Azure. Still further, there's now immutability from backups from NAS, Oracle, SAP, and SAP HANA. And lastly, we now support immutability with partners like HPE StoreOne's Catalyst. We're committed to continuously bringing you increased data security. And speaking of data security, cyber resilience was a huge theme in the V12 release. Resilience, data recovery. Veeam enables the fastest response to ransomware attacks by actively detecting threats and malicious behavior before you restore. We'll compare and show you changed objects in real time to identify potentially encrypted files. Plus, we've also added support for multi-factor authentication, passwordless group managed service accounts, Kerberos-only environments or IPv6 environments. I am so excited by V12. It's here, and it includes a host of new products, features, and capabilities focused on optimizing hybrid cloud, providing trusted immutability for all workloads, and enhanced cyber resiliency for faster and more successful ransomware response. And while V12 is certainly the most significant release in Veeam history, you are the driving force behind it. Thank you.
IT 관련 정보를 더 얻고 싶으시다면 굿모닝아이텍을 검색하세요. 클라우드 앤 인프라, AI 앤 빅데이터, 매니지먼트, 그리고 정보보호 솔루션까지 최고의 품질과 서비스, 검증된 기술력을 가진 굿모닝아이텍의 최신 IT 관련 정보를 홈페이지, 유튜브, 페이스북, 인스타그램, 링크드인에서 직접 확인하세요. 구독, 좋아요까지 눌러주는 건 센스! 고객의 신뢰를 기술력으로 보답하는 굿모닝아이텍. 지금 바로 연락하세요.